The birds who like the suet black have two people to thank this last week who refilled it for me, because I cannot get up there where it is hanging with my one good hand and refill the black. But a friend, Kathy, and my son-in-law, Andy, did that so they can keep pecking away at this nice black. Other birds are around for other things, and let's see if I can find some. Not at the moment, but this little guy is having a good time, and I don't seem to disturb him at all as I'm at the window inside my kitchen. Until next time, that's all there is from Sunny Book Farm.